In the landscape of global military competition, the presence of fifth-generation stealth fighters symbolizes air supremacy and strategic power. One of the latest aircraft to catch the world's attention is the J35, a stealth fighter jet developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. This fighter jet is not only a technological innovation for China, but also a representation of Beijing's ambition to strengthen its dominance in the Indo-Pacific region. The J35 is a significant step in the evolution of China's air power. As a fifth-generation fighter jet, it features a range of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing the combat capabilities of the People's Liberation Army PLA Air Force and Navy. With a stealth design claimed to reduce radar footprint, the J35 is designed to counter modern threats and increase China's military deterrence in the Asia-Pacific region. One aspect that makes the J35 so important in Beijing's military strategy is its ability to be operated from aircraft carriers. With China's growing aircraft carrier fleet, such as the Shandong and Fujian, the presence of the J35 will provide a huge advantage in maritime power projection. This capability allows the PLA to expand its operational scope, especially in disputed areas such as the South China Sea. The presence of the J35 on an aircraft carrier also demonstrates the transformation of China's military doctrine, which increasingly emphasizes joint operations and high mobility in open water conflicts. As a fifth-generation fighter jet, the J35 is armed with various cutting-edge technologies that enhance its combat effectiveness and survivability on the modern battlefield. The advanced avionics system embedded in the cockpit of this aircraft allows pilots to have higher situational awareness, easing decision-making in complex combat situations. In addition, stealth technology applied to the aerodynamic design and radar-absorbing materials are claimed to reduce detection by enemy air defense systems. In terms of armament, although full information on the J35's arsenal is still limited, it is expected to be equipped with air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles on par with other modern stealth fighters. With this combination of technologies, the J35 is believed to be capable of a wide range of missions, including air superiority, precision strike, and strategic reconnaissance. The J35 is not only a symbol of China's defense technology advancement, but also part of Beijing's grand strategy of strengthening its military position in the Indo-Pacific region. With rising tensions between China and other countries in Asia, especially regarding maritime disputes, the presence of the J35 gives the PLA an edge in dealing with potential conflicts in the future. In a geopolitical context, the J35 is also a tool to challenge the military dominance of Western countries, especially the United States. With carrier-based combat capabilities, China now has assets that are increasingly approaching the capabilities of the US Navy, which has been known as the dominant force on the world's oceans. The J35 could serve as a key element in an anti-access, area denial A2, AD strategy aimed at limiting the freedom of opposing military operations in strategic areas claimed by China. One of the most interesting aspects of the J35 is its resemblance to Lockheed Martin's F35 Lightning II, the United States' premier stealth fighter jet. This similarity has led to speculation and accusations that China obtained the F-35's technology through cyber espionage. These allegations are not new, given that China has been linked to hacking Western military data, including fighter jet development projects, several times. In terms of performance, the J-35 still has to prove its capabilities on the battlefield compared to the F-35, which has been tested in various exercises and real combat operations. Although China claims that the J-35 is technologically equivalent, the F-35 has the advantage in terms of advanced combat networks and sensor systems that enable interoperability with various U.S. allied military assets. However, if the J-35 continues to improve and is successfully integrated with China's aircraft carrier fleet, it could pose a serious threat to the military dominance of the US and its allies in the Indo-Pacific region. With these developments, the comparison between the J-35 and the F-35 is not only a battle of technology, but also a reflection of the intensifying geopolitical competition. The J-35 is a testament to China's ambition to become a military power on par with the United States. With its carrier operational capabilities, stealth technology, and strategic role in Beijing's military doctrine, the aircraft has the potential to change the security dynamic in the Asia-Pacific. However, many challenges remain, including combat testing, mass production, and how the international community will respond to these developments. What is certain is that the J-35 will further complicate the landscape of global military competition, especially amid rising tensions between China and Western powers. Will it be a serious challenger to the F-35's dominance, or a mere match with no real advantage? The answer will depend on how China is able to prove the J-35's superiority in future military operations.